Welcome back to the Deriv Navigator Academy. Now, in today's video, we'll be looking at how can you trade even odd with a bot, or what strategy should you apply when trading even odd with a bot to experience a profit, all right? So the first thing, okay, I want you to understand about trading even odd with a bot. Even odd and matches and differs are two different entities. What do I mean? When trading even odd and trading matches and differs, you should have two different mindsets. Why? Because in matches and differs, okay, let's say when you're trading differs with a bot, you can go 10, 12 consecutive runs and you incur a profit in those 12 runs, okay? But when you incur only one loss, it can make you undergo a loss, all right? You only require one run to incur a loss after going 12 runs. So, and when you come to even odd, in even odd, you can do 10 runs, okay? But when you make only well, you can do 10 runs whereby you incur a loss in 10 runs, okay? But when you incur a win in only 2 runs, you can recover your money. So today we'll be looking at what are the intricacies that you should apply so as to incur a profit in even odd when trading with a bot. So the first thing, come to Dbot, all right? Deriv bot, there it is, okay? After you come to Deriv bot, all right? You come to bot builder. You can come to dashboard, select my computer and upload your bot either from Google Drive or my computer. I've uploaded a video on how to upload. I've uploaded a video simply explaining how to upload our bot, all right? So I will link the video right there. And I've also explained how to trade even odd manually in 2 videos. I will link the videos in the description, all right? So when you come to bot builder, okay? Now, how do you set? So this is what you should do, okay? In this area right here, on this bar above the trade parameters area, I hope you can see it, just come and click these two. You can see you have a trading view chart and you have a chart section. Just click on the chart section, okay? After clicking on the chart section, you will see the golden basket. Just click on it, all right? And then come and select one volatility, okay? It may be volatility 10 1S, 25 1S. Just ensure it is our next volatility, all right? Just come and click on it. After clicking on your volatility, all right? So I want you to come here at the bottom. You can see you have chart types, okay? Just come and click on chart type, all right? You can see this section. I hope you can all see it at the bottom. Click on it. Come and select either 1 minute, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. I will select 1 minute. Okay, ensure even though you are using 10 minutes or 30, ensure you confirm your analysis with 1 minute. So I will select 1 minute. And now, okay, let me put my chart, okay? After you select 1 minute, you come and select candle, all right? You can see the candle area. Select that so that you can have a clear view of the chart. And then you can take your chart and put it somewhere, all right? Now, this is easy, especially when you're using a computer, because you can easily place your chart anywhere when you're trading so that you confirm your trades. So what do you usually look at? When you're trading even odd, whenever you see the market or the chart has an upward direction, we trade odd, all right? When you're trading with a bot. Again, when you see the market is going down, we trade even. Okay, guys? Whenever you see the market is going up, you trade odd. Whenever you see the market has a downward direction, we trade even, all right? So when you're using a computer, it is easy to analyze the market at the same time. So ensure, if you're using a phone, ensure you have 2 phones. You cannot lag somebody in your compound or somewhere around with another phone. Just pick it, log into Deriv. Don't even log in. Just go to the bot builder and use the chart, all right? Ensure you have a view of the chart and a view of the bot at the same time. Ensure you have a view of both of them at the same time, all right, to avoid errors, okay? If you're using a computer, as you can see, I am using my computer, you can take this chart and place it anywhere so that whenever you are trading, you can be looking at the chart, okay? As you can see, the market seems to be going in an upward direction. So we'll come to make sure it is volatility 10 1S. I come and set the correct trade type, which is digits. Ensure it is even odd, all right? Ensure it is even, okay? Okay. All right, guys. Ensure it is even. Ensure the default counter interval is 1 minute. So this is the default Deriv bot, okay? You can use your own bot or a default Deriv bot, okay? But let me use one of the bots that I usually have, $printer bot, which is more effective, okay? So just come to, let me show you guys. So you will just come to dashboard, okay? Come to my computer. If you have stored your bot in your computer, you can come and select it. If you have stored it in Google Drive, it's all right. If you have stored it in your computer, in your files, just come and select it, okay? So today I'm feeling like using candle mine, so I'll come and select candle mine and select open. All right, and wait for the bot to load. There it is. I will click open. Okay, now here's my bot. All right, now so we'll come so we'll come and select volatility 10-1s. Again, as I say, make sure you select the correct volatility. Ensure the digit is selected to digit straight type. Ensure it is even odd. Come and select. Now you can see the market seems to be going up. All right, so you want to flow with the market. Okay, don't go against it. Just flow. Whenever you open a market, just follow its trend. Okay, don't go against it. When trading with a bot, follow the market. Okay, when trading using a chart in other, like in currencies, there we apply very complex strategies. But when you're using a bot and you're trading even odd with a chart, flow with the chart. Okay, so I'll come and select even odd. I will select odd, sorry, because you can see the chart is moving up. And then I will come and select my stop loss. Let me set my stop loss to 30. Okay, select my profit to also 30. Okay, and then my initial amount. Ensure the initial amount is the stake you want to use. All right, so I can say 10. Let me put $5. All right, and then my win amount, ensure it is also $5. Win amount is basically the amount the bot will continue to use after you incur a win. All right, so ensure it is the same with the initial amount to avoid any complexities. Ensure the martingale. Okay, when trading even odd, it's not a must use martingale. Okay, you can use martingale at your own discretion, but it's not a must. All right, but if you want to use it, use a martingale of 2. All right, use a martingale of 2. And ensure when trading even odd, guys, okay, ensure this only have in short, ensure your account is above $10. Okay, whenever you are using a bot, ensure your account is above $10 so that you can be able to recover a loss. And when trading even odd, it is a very risky strategy, as we usually say, because even when you go to YouTube or TikTok, you'll not find very many videos on even odd because it's a very risky strategy. So when trading even odd, also be aware that you might end up losing your money. But when you apply the correct strategies, you might end up the day with a profit. So you should be very careful when trading even odd, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, the chart has started to have a downward trend. So we'll come here and change to even. Don't go against the market. As I've said, flow with the market. Okay, as you can see, the market now is moving down. So we have changed to even. We have ensured all our settings are correct, guys. Okay, as you can see, everything. Don't touch this part, which is the engine. Leave it alone. Okay, my chart is ready. So I will come and run my bot. So I will only make about 6 runs and then you can stop. So let's see how the chart is moving. As you can see, it is a downward trend. So we'll come and select candle mine. Okay, we run our bot. All right. So that's a loss, but don't panic again. As I've said, as you can see, guys, we have incurred a profit of $9 in one. So in short, you have won 1 and you have lost 1, but you have ended up with a $9 profit. Okay, guys. So I want you to see how this even odd strategy is very sweet. Okay, ensure you have a nice, what can I say? Ensure your account has a good stake. Ensure your account has enough capital such that you can be able to recover your loss even if you go 3 or 4 consecutive losses. All right, because when you have let's say you have an account that is above 100, you will be very comfortable when trading with a bot. Okay, your work will be to analyze and press run and run your bot. Okay, and again, ensure if you're using a phone, ensure you have 2 phones. In one phone you can be looking at the market, in one phone you're using a bot at the same time, so that whenever the chart changes direction, you will stop the bot. All right, come to the market analyze, change the settings that you need, and come and run. Okay, guys. Yeah, so let's see how the market again is moving. The market seems also to be moving the downward direction. I don't think it has changed. So this is just for I want to show you how this strategy is. As you can see, the market has seemed to, it is lagging. So just come and change to another volatility and then return to the volatility. Whenever you see the market is static or it has stopped moving, just know the market is hanging. So what is the best? You can change to another volatility and then come back to the volatility you are using. So I will have changed and then I will come back to the same volatility you are using so that I can see how the market is positioned, guys. So let it retrieve the chart data. Okay, as you can see, now the market is going up. We will come here, guys, and select odd. All right, and then we come and run our bot. Okay, there's a bot. Okay, let's see, wait for the market. Okay, it seems to be in upward direction, so let's do some runs. Okay, that's a nice profit right there. Again, that's a nice profit, guys. Okay, now we have done only 4 runs. We have won 3 and we have lost 1. As you can see, we have made very nice profits, $19. That's a very nice amount. Okay, we have used a stake of $30. Okay, a stake of 30, and you have had a total payout of 49. So that is why I'm saying ensure you have enough stake. Okay, if you have this small stake below $10, let me say even below 20, you might use a bot and incur profit, but the risk for you to blow your account is usually very high. Okay, because it is very hard for you to recover a loss. And ensure if you're using a smaller stake, ensure you also use if you're using a small capital, ensure you also use a small stake so that you don't risk blowing your account. Okay, as you can see, this account I've used a stake of $30, right? So if I had a stake of a capital of $100, I will be very comfortable with my profits and move on. All right, so EvenOdd, the bot strategy is the best strategy you can use with enough capital. All right, you can also use it without enough capital, but at higher risk. Okay, because in trading we go with the risk. Okay, in every site when you open it, you usually see a risk warning. Okay, you see that 99% of traders usually lose their money. There's usually that risk because trading itself is a large risk, so you should be very careful when trading it. Okay, guys, we can do maybe 2 runs to see how it will perform. As you can see, the market seems to be in an upward direction. Okay, let's see. Okay, it seems to be in an upward direction. So, okay, that will be all right. It's moving down. Let's see how it is. So we can come and change to even. Yeah, and then we run our bot. Okay, yeah, because it seems to be don't fear, it's a win, another win. Okay, at the same time analyzing, as you can see. Yeah, guys, we have made another win. So what is the checkout from this lesson? Whenever you see the chart is moving up, trade odd. Whenever you see the chart is moving in a downward direction, trade even, guys. It is as simple as that. When you follow those tips, guys, you will make nice profits. As you can see, the chart was moving down and you have traded even in 2 runs and you have incurred a profit of $28. So guys, when you implement those strategies, you will be okay. And again, matches and differs and EvenOdd are 2 different entities. Okay, in matches and differs you require 20 runs to incur a profit, a nice profit, but in EvenOdd you can do only 5, only 6, only 4, even only 2 when you use a large stake, and you will incur a nice profit, guys. So guys, go implement that strategy. If you need the EvenOdd manual strategy, I will link the videos in the description where you'll find them. And for those who are experiencing difficulties in uploading their bots, I will also link a video explaining how to load a bot in Deriv. And if you need, and ensure, guys, also I've forgotten to mention, you have a fast bot. Okay, when trading in Deriv, ensure you have a fast bot. Okay, having a slow bot can really mess your account up, so ensure you have a very fast bot that will execute trades in an instant, guys. If you need bots, I usually offer a package of more than 50 trading bots and more than 50 documents containing various trading strategies at an affordable price to all my subscribers. So hit me up, sorry. Let me give you the bots and then you can continue using them. Okay, and yeah, you can continue to grow together, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please implement that strategy, guys, and you will be okay. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it would be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, guys, and good luck.